Paint is like a really, really big thing. Like it's worth more than my car. So this is a big deal. I'm here in Unicar Auto Body in Pasadena with Mr. Anthony and Miss Jessica.
Jessica and I work for a company called it's NCS and Single Source. It was a pleasure to be able to help you guys out with the paint. And you know, we have to also give a lot of recognition to PPG too, because they really stepped up and they wanted to make sure that they back you on this project. And I'll tell you what, we can't wait until we see the finished product.
She's a pro, just grabbing them like she's a painter, knowing where things are. Really excited to see kids your age getting into this industry that desperately needs people to be interested in it. So let us know how much fun you have. We're so excited to see the progress that you make on the car, the color that you chose. We're so excited to see it mixed and poured. It's gonna be fun, I think.
Bye, thank you.
Have fun.
I'm really hyped up to see this car finally painted, and it's gonna be so nice and shiny, and so many people have told me it's gonna feel so real once you paint it, and I'm so excited for that feeling. It actually looks really shiny. Like, it looks like an actual car and not some shell that's gonna live in your backyard for the next 20 years.
Paint episode marker. We are finally here at E&J Truck Collision with Julian and Ted, and we're all taping up the wheels. We're marking it all up so that way we can paint it and we won't get paint all over the tires and the wheels and all the stuff that we already sandblasted. But look at this. It's all loaded in, and this is so much nicer than our tent setup. Like, the tent setup we were all jammed and crowded. We're gonna have so much space, and I'm gonna refresh my paint gun skills, and it's gonna go great. I mean, look at this. They even got a ladder. This is gonna be awesome. I don't think I'm as nervous as I was before. Julian's really cool and Ted's got it all under control. But it's gonna be really fun. I'm really excited to see this car with paint on it. And if I thought primer was cool, oh, paint's gonna be awesome.
Check out this shirt, guys. I made a couple more shirts, and look, this is like my parts list. I made you can see the emblems and the radio and the lens caps, and anyways, super cool.
We finished painting the car, and now our feet are all a little sticky. And that was so much fun learning how to use the paint gun.
Right.
I was so nervous to learn how to use that, but that was fun.
Hey, not bad for your first car. Wow. I'm impressed.
So now we're gonna let this cook overnight, and we're gonna come back tomorrow to pick it up.